Hey guys, welcome back. In this episode, we will make a delicious beans and sausage recipe, which is amazing if you are in a hurry. First, we start by finely dicing a white onion. For this recipe, we use two types of sausages, a smoked one and a fresh sausage. Next, we add some pork fat to a cast iron pan, followed by the sausage. We sear them until golden brown. We continue by adding the diced onion. We sear it until translucent, and we add some fresh rosemary. Next, we add some tomato sauce, followed by some salt, ground black pepper, and smoked paprika. We let it cook for 20 minutes, and we continue by adding the pre-cooked red beans. We give them a good stir. For some extra flavor, we crack a few eggs on top. We let it cook for a few more minutes until the eggs are done and this delicious meal is ready. Pairing it with toast is simply amazing. Try it out and let us know what you think. If you like our content, then feel free to subscribe, like, and leave us a comment below. Thank you for watching and see you on the next one.